It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. When it's been a few hours, when it feel like days. When it feel like
Man, welcome back to my channel, guys. This thing is finished. I'm just posting now. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. Right now, I'm getting ready to go to the salon to go do my nails and my hair. Oh, but this thing is finished. Yo, to go do my nails and hair, and then I'm gonna come back. I don't know. I don't really know what the direction of this vlog is, to be honest. I just know what's gonna happen today, then we'll go from there. But please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and watch for more videos. Then I'm gonna put on sunscreen because yay, the sun is coming back now. It's quite cold. Spring, summer, whatever, soon. And then yeah, I'm actually very late because yesterday, while I was unbraiding my hair, I started late. I started like at 11, 12, around that time. And by the time I finished, it was like 3, 4, if I'm not wrong. And then, like, that was super late. I was even supposed to go to the gym, but I didn't go. And then I fell asleep. I was supposed to leave, like, right now it's 9. I was supposed to be there. I was supposed to leave at 8. But then I woke up at 8, so guys, but it's okay. Self-figure, the point is arriving. I always sort of like spread the sunscreen down to my neck because but guys, don't take skincare tips on me because look, man, this pimple here. Oh, anyway, my crop top is very wrinkled, but I'm not drama, guys. I'm just going to the salon, so let's go.
Myself, sit in the mirror, I got myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
like a glance from the past. Dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm like, oh, fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out of reach.
Okay, my nails are done. So now I'm gonna go do my hair, waiting for my Uber, and then yeah. Okay guys, don't mind the face mask. I just wanted to tell you guys that okay, today's a new day. Today's a new day and I'm getting ready to go to my friend's birthday dinner, lunch, brunch, whatever. I'm getting ready to do that. I'm gonna do my face mask and then I'm gonna shower. So get ready with me to do that. I already know what I'm gonna wear. Everything's done. I just need to iron my shirt. What else do I need to do? I don't know. But yeah, let's get ready. together. This face mask is so cool. Let me show you guys. This is from Yvonne. Yeah, dries. When you put it on, it's black, and then when it dries, it's white. It's for pore and shine control. Yeah. Since I'm breaking out, so I'm like, let me just do this face mask. But yeah, let me shower and then get ready. Okay guys, so I'm done getting ready. I'll show you guys my outfit in the next clip. I just need to wear my shoes and my band. I don't know if my hair is fine, but I'm very late. So yeah, that's something. Ooh, but now.
Everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. That. Shayo. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that get both. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow. I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you remain with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in